Hi all, our first visual today is of a tern attempting to feed while in flight. The screams for food goes on for hours. Even after it's fed multiple times, it still screams for more food. The adult has the patience of a saint. When the time is right, he'll go for the food. Looks like he's ready to go. Wow, what a handoff! It goes back out and grabs another fish. This time, it approaches from a difficult angle, ultimately knocking the other into the water. He doesn't want to lose the fish, so he makes another pass. This time he lands in the water, ensuring that the transfer is complete. At this point, I see this summer's most prolific fish predator fly over the lake. If watching a predator eat its prey makes you feel uncomfortable, please turn the video off now. I see him catch a couple of small eels and small fish, then he grabs this one. That's a big fish for the egret. It took at least another 5 minutes to pass through its gullet. Thank you for viewing.